Okay, this is the TA-Adler 325, and we're just going to show you how it types right now. Keep in mind the corrective tape is out. Here we go. So you type in what you want. The computer in it that's built in remembers what you put in there, and then it automatically types it when you're done with that line. And there you have it. Right now, at the present moment, as you see, we're not going to be, you're going to have to supply your own cartridge to replace, but as you can see, it does type very well, and it's in excellent condition, and we hope that you win this bid. Good luck.